My name is Keith Larson. I'm a researcher at Umeå University. And more specifically, I do research in Abisko National Park in northern Sweden. In Abisko National Park, we are today where the tree line was a century ago. A century ago, botanists such as Tor Friis came here and established vegetation surveys. And now we have been repeating those surveys, and we're sitting at precisely where Tor Friis would have experienced the limit of the forest in 1917. And if you look upslope, the forest actually continues for about 230 meters, approximately 30 meters in elevation. And so here we are, right at the old forest limit. So as the forest moves up, think, the mountains aren't growing. So that fjell, or the tundra region, is shrinking. So the species of plants, butterflies, bumblebees, birds, the organisms that are adapted to those treeless environments, where relatively little snow accumulates, where temperatures tend to be more harsh, those species are the losers because their habitat is shrinking, and the islands that basically are formed by mountains are getting smaller and smaller. So one of the big questions we have today is, are the populations that exist on these mountaintops, are they viable? Will they be sustainable over the long term? And for the low mountains like these, almost certainly the trees in the coming century will overtake the summit.